Hey guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily if you guys are new here. For today's video, it's gonna be a lot of a cooking tutorial type of thing. Recently I've been really obsessed with making my own version of Taco Bell's Breakfast Crunchwraps, and I've been working for like 2 weeks to try and like perfect it so that it's good enough to be able to film, and now I think it's finally there. So I thought it would be fun to film that and share it with you guys. I know that there are a ton of Taco Bell lovers out there, and I don't know if you guys are as obsessed with the breakfast menu as I am. I'm just really a breakfast person for some reason, but the few times that I actually can get the breakfast, I always get the Crunchwrap, and I absolutely love it. So because of that, I tried making it at home, since I obviously can't order from Taco Bell every day. Or I could, but I shouldn't. So yeah, that's what we are going to be doing today, and if you guys are excited for this video, drop a like, make sure you subscribe, and let's just get right into it. Okay, so first thing is first, I'm getting all of the ingredients together, which is basically just 2 eggs, bacon, the hash browns, and the cheese. I obviously make it with regular eggs, bacon, and cheese, but you can obviously make it as healthy as you want with like egg whites and turkey bacon, etc., etc. So whenever I do this, the first thing that I tend to start out with is making my bacon. I'm taking 2 strips of bacon and I'm just preheating the pan. I like to do this for like a minute or 2 before I throw the bacon on, but you obviously, should you want and or choose to, can just go ahead and throw the bacon right on it. You'll obviously be cooking the bacon to your personal liking, but I personally keep it on for about 10 minutes until it crisps up the way that I like it, which you will see in a second. As the bacon is cooking, I take the hash browns and begin to defrost them in the toaster. They don't really crisp up as much as I would like them to, but this is the best thing compared to on the pan or in the microwave or whatever the case is. And now, while the bacon and the hash browns are cooking, I'm just prepping my eggs. As you see, I'm just kind of cracking them into a small bowl and beginning to whisk them when I realized that I got a double yolk in my egg, and I really only wanted 2, but you know, surprise! Personally, when I season my eggs, I really just use salt and pepper, whisk it all together, and then it's usually good to go for me to start cooking. So my eggs are basically prepped, and it's time to remove the bacon from the pan and switch it out for my eggs to start cooking. So again, you're cooking your eggs to your personal liking and then scrambling them up however you usually do or would like to do it, and this is me doing that right now. For me, it takes about 5 minutes for the eggs to fully cook the way that I like them, so once that is done, I'm just moving it from the pan into a little bowl again. So at this point, everything is basically done cooking, and I'm just heating up the larger tortillas for about 30 seconds or less on each side. Once that is done, it's finally time to start putting everything together. So the way that I'm doing that is the larger tortilla is going to be holding everything together. Then I put the hash brown first, put some eggs on top of that, start breaking up the bacon and sprinkling that on, and then sprinkling the cheese on top of that. After all of the contents are in or on top of the tortilla, I take the smaller tortilla and cover that, and then I start folding it all together. Folding it all together to make it look decently presentable has been the hard part for me, but it doesn't need to be perfect. As long as it is all together, it's going to be going on top of the pan that still has a little bit of oil from the bacon and the eggs, and you're just putting that right on top so that it can fry a little bit and get golden brown the way that you see here. Once it finishes cooking a little bit and getting golden brown on both sides, I just plate it, cut one and or both of them in half, and this is what it should look like right now. This tastes so good. Let me know if you guys end up trying it and what you guys thought about it if you did. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!